We are making a pork niçoise salad, but first we go with the tenderloin. That's the first order of business here.
Yeah, so this salad comes from Nice, France. That's the inspiration, which is of course along the Mediterranean coastline. Traditionally made with tuna. We're going to use pork tenderloin today.
Sweet.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to brush our tenderloin with some Dijon mustard.
Okay. I feel like I'm there already.
You had me at Dijon?
That's right. That's right.
And you want to coat all the sides, so I'm just going to...
I was just going to ask if there's any particular reason why tenderloin, just easy to slice, later on easy to use.
Yeah, it's, you know, it's extra lean, nutritious, looks pretty on a plate. When
All
it's
good
cooked
reasons.
to a hint of pink, yeah.
All right.
So there we go, just get it all on there. And then if you could mix up those herbs for me, Des, because that'll be our next step. So we've got some fresh parsley, some mint, and some thyme.
Okay.
And we've added a little bit of pepper to that as well.
Okay. This is the thyme. Oh, that smells so good. Mm-hmm. That's really nice. Okay, so we're gonna mix this up, and did you want me to?
Yeah, if you can spread that out along there, that would be great.
I just want to get that pepper in there because it's all kind of at the bottom, and you don't want like a big glunk of pepper when you're...
Oh, I love all these fresh herbs.
Okay, I'm not sure what the...
Yeah, just pour them on.
Pardon my reach here.
No
How's that?
worries,
Good?
That's excellent.
Okay, awesome.
Perfect.
Oh, there's your big glunk of pepper.
Spread out pretty
avoid.
good. So then we're gonna roll our tenderloin in these nice herbs, and we can use the wax paper to kind of help press in those herbs so that they stick on a little bit better.
Okay.
And try and get it on all sides. You can always spread that around a little bit.
Now, does this kind of sit for a while, or
it doesn't need to sit at all. As soon as you've got this part done, it can go in the oven.
Okay.
So there we go. I think that looks pretty darn good. I'll put it on our baking sheet, and this little end at the end that tends to be a little bit thinner, you can just tuck that underneath.
Okay.
So then it doesn't dry out.
Look at how tidy that is.
Yeah.
That's quite lovely. Okay, so
I'm going to wash up.
Okay, you're going to wash. And what am I going to do now? I'm going to put this in the oven, correct?
Yep, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it would go in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Kind of depends on the size of your tenderloin, but that's usually a good rule of thumb.
It's a pretty quick cook, hey?
Yeah, and then we're going to check it with a meat thermometer anyways.
And now we move all the way over in our brand new kitchen to this side, where we will now prepare the niçoise. We're going to assemble.
Okay. Yes, so this salad isn't a tossed salad. It's assembled on a bed of lettuce, as you can see. So we've got lettuce, we've got some nice steamed green beans, French green beans, a little bit of boiled potatoes.
So are these all kind of very standard ingredients for a niçoise? Okay.
Yep. So you got, you know, all your carbs, your protein, your veg. It's a perfect,
it's like a little meal sort of already ready to go.
Yeah, we've got some tomatoes as well and some boiled eggs. So again, we would just check our tenderloin to make sure it's cooked at about 150 Fahrenheit, 155 Fahrenheit. Okay. You're going to pull it out, tent it for about 3 to 5 minutes just to let those meat juices redistribute.
Oh, and I'll just quickly add one more time, Countryside Farm Vita eggs. Happy to feature them on the show in these recipes.
So we've kind of assembled a single serving here, and now it's time to slice into our tenderloin. So we're gonna just cut a few pieces.
Oh, doesn't that look a delish?
Nice hint of pink there.
Perfect.
And we'll just lay those on top.
Okay.
Kind of like so.
Oh, Susan, so pretty.
Maybe we'll do one more.
I was going to say, I almost don't want to eat it, but that would be a lie.
And then you would put on your dressing. So
what's in the dressing?
So the dressing has some canola oil. You can use olive oil if you like.
Can I drizzle it while you're explaining?
You can drizzle, yeah.
Just all over everything?
Yeah, just as much as you want. Okay. Some white wine vinegar. We've got Dijon mustard again to tie in with the tenderloin. A little bit of minced shallot and garlic. And then, of course, some more chopped parsley. And then you could just garnish with some olives.
Oh, doesn't that look wonderful?
And this makes for either, you know, a nice lunch, or you could serve it as a dinner salad and you've got a complete meal.
That's a beauty. That's a beauty, Susan. Okay, right on. So pork niçoise salad. When we come back, Greek pork
pitas.
Pitas. Stay with us.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by Manitoba's farmers and ranchers. Local farms, local foods.